the stanchions loose, the bolts loose from the bow pulpit, because we're going to try to get that off today. Our stainless steel guys are coming, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll give you a little more after a bit.
Over at Dell in there.
Yeah.
It's drop dead gorgeous. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
So anyway, we'll talk to him after he gets done with the bow pulpit about an hour.
Kind of put it in the middle
Instead of down here, Keith said it's going to look a little odd.
Yeah, if you had to do an 8 inches over here and then have this
Floor in it. So my guess is it's probably 150, 180 pounds.
No, it's more than that, isn't it?
Not empty.
Oh, okay.
But with the
And there goes the old one. And there's a Kia without the ball pulpit. The bow, not the ball, the bow pulpit. Now we really got to be careful going forward. And since it's still chilly outside, Rick's out there. I'm filming from the inside out, so this probably has got screen blurring us on it. But he's out there cleaning off the areas underneath the stanchions that were on the bow pulpit, and cleaning off all the way around those screw holes and everything there, and then getting those covered up. We got our beadboard cut. Let me just turn this over so you can see. This is going to be for our headliner in the bathroom, the forward head. And so we had to seal the back side. So Rick got about, I don't know, 4 or 5 coats. And we used the Minwax spar urethane by Helmsman to do that. Does help keep away temperature changes, rain and moisture, and the sunlight. Don't think we'll get much sunlight in there, but could get moisture. Temperature does change. Today is the headliner up day, and hopefully the lines will line up.
Okay, here is, for your viewing pleasure, the finished product. Came out, I think, looking pretty good. Yeah, you see the dead mouse in there. Sorry. But it brightens it up a little bit. Of course, this light helps too. It's got three levels again. So even on low, it's not too bad in here.
So we removed the solar panels from here. We are moving the davits. So we got one off on that side. This one's coming off next. Those will be for sale, by the way. If anybody watching this is thinking they want to put some dinghy davits on, the day we put the rail on, we'll take the motor off and move it. But we needed to get things off of the deck. And so I cleaned up the cockpit, and then the cockpit became this. So, solar panels, which will also be for sale. One of the davits. My life graft, my throwable one. And my motor lift. Okay, so we thought we would just check out and change out some rotten wood that we found yet in the forward head in the storage areas behind the sink, and here's what I'm coming up with.
Okay, I talked to you earlier about the rail that was up here for the sliding doors for the in the forward head. And I knew there was some rotted wood in there. Little did I know, not only is it this top section from about the midway all the way across the top, all the way down the side, and about halfway across the, well, not quite, about a third of the way across the bottom. So I'm digging out all the old rotted wood best I can, and then I'll put some new board in behind it and get it all glued in. Well, it is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and Judy is busy doing preparations for the big dinner for tomorrow. And the neighbors around here on QDoc are all going to be pitching in, and so we'll have a great Thanksgiving Day tomorrow. So we're wishing that everyone who's watching this had a great Thanksgiving with family and friends, and had a lot to be thankful for in 2019. Looking forward to 2020 and the adventures that it holds. But until then, have a happy Thanksgiving, happy holiday season, Merry Christmas, and hopefully Happy New Year.
Bucks.
Got that all right?
Yep, yep. This is my friend George.
Hi, George.
How you doing?
I'm Rick Dunbar, my wife Judy.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey, it's been spewing off.
What?
Yeah,
Somebody's got to do it. I figured I might as well.
Oh my goodness.
They're pretty close.
Damn close, and tell you that. So we just need some screws to pull in the holes and make sure. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know how to do anything.
You made something. This?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Write that down.
Look at that. There you go. See you later. Oh, wait. You want me to weld it up for you too?
And maybe polish the welds.
Polish
that
the
was-
welds.
Yeah.
Have
All right. Yeah.
Folks,
Half
have
watt.
a good Thanksgiving, and we'll
You
see
too.
you on the return. And we'll be in
Nice to
contact.
meet you.
We'll
Nice
see
to
you
meet
back
you.
on
Yeah.
the weekend of the 6th.
Yep, yep.
Nice to meet you, young lady.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
You got that all right there, Keith?
Yep, yep.
I'll just watch it.
There you go.
Better supervise.
Thank you,
Right.
guys.
Somebody's got to.
Just drop it down like that. Then we got to feed the line through, and
Take the black line off.
this line is fine.
No,
Yeah,
it's not.
yeah. All we got to do is move this up and drop the line down through there.
It will clear it then.
Pen.
Bend, wire bend.
Cool.
Now then, some screws.
Okay, today's the 20th of December. Of course, it's raining like cow peeing on a flat rock. And we're out here in the rain, getting ready to put some new extended life rails on.
That'll give us a nice square line, so hopefully we'll get a nice union on these guys. Let's see, I bought a long
Here,
Let me move over here so I can get
give me the umbrella. Without killing me, so I can hold it for Lonnie.
You want me to get some rags to dry that?
No.
All right.
The tarp dumped water on him. With the movement and the wind.
Piece of cake though.
Yep.
I like that better than trying to pull these off.
This will slide right in. Woohoo!
Okay, here's the update on the stainless steel railings. I gotta go down here. We have worked about 3 hours worth in the rain. Tried to put up tarps and get all that stuff going. So here's what I had to begin with. Hits me just above my knee. This new one hits me just about my waist. Hey there,
Hi, darling.
Mr. Wet Man. Whoopsie.
I'm only mediocre wet.
You're only mediocre
so-
wet. That's nice. So here's a look. So from there to what we had, much safer. We'll work with the stern tomorrow, hopefully if weather's permitting. Got to work on getting our boarding gate, of course, back on. Our, what do you call that?
Yeah, it's the boarding gate. Yep.
Yeah, the latch, you know, boarding gate. So here's what she looks like. I'll get up front, give you a look, back at her. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's gotten windy out here. So there's the pulpit and the new rails as they go back. She's got some nice lines. I like her fat belly, and it shows that right in the lines of this stainless steel rail. We're having a anchor plate done to put behind the anchor here to keep it from chipping into the fiberglass. But wow, nice lines. We're gonna go in.
I'm gonna get the garden hose and hose all this on.
Oh, good luck. But it would get the stainless steel pieces off. Let him at least brush off some of the main black soot that seems to accumulate on our deck.